Good morning, students, and welcome to Digital World of Patania Public School, Rohtak. In last class, we are discussing about the body tag and its attributes. Today, we are discussing in this video BR tag and P tag. P stands for paragraph and BR stands for line break. So first, we are discussing about the BR tag. What do you mean by the BR? BR means the line break. Line break is used to insert a single line break only if you want to move your data in the next line. If you want your text move in the next line, then you can use the BR tag. The BR tag is an empty tag. So many empty tags are there. For example, your BR, HR, LI, base font tag, these all are your empty tag which have no need to close it. So BR is also your empty tag. The BR tag is useful for writing addresses or poems. If you want to write down the poems and addresses in your HTML page, in your web page, then you can use the BR tag with the between these lines. Use the BR tag to enter the line breaks, not to separate paragraph. BR means to move the text in the next line. It don't separate your paragraph. It don't give the extra space. It only give the one line space between the two lines, or it move your text from the one line to other line. The syntax of this BR tag is simple BR. Simple angular bracket start, then write down B, then R, then angular bracket close. For example, you write down a simple basic structure HTML head title, then title close, head close, body. In body, if you write down simple text example of the tag uses, and here you can write down the BR. So after this your data will be moved in the next line. So inside the paragraph, move in the next line. After that again BR tag, then your data we put can put the tag, again move in the next line, and again we write down the BR tag to transfer a part of the text to another line if necessary. So BR tag is used to move the text in the next line. So let's do the practical of this. Just write down the HTML tag. After that write down the head tag. After that title. In title we have already writing here paragraph example, then title tag close. After that close the head tag. This title always shown on the title bar of your web page. Then start the body tag. If we don't write down any BR tag between these lines, so our text will be moved simple displayed in a single lines. For example, we don't put any BR tag here. So the output of this, save it, Control plus S, then minimize it. After minimizing, you can open your again browser here. When you open, then your complete text will be displayed on a simple paragraph in your simple line. If I want here is a first paragraph of text in first line, and we want here is the second paragraph or text in second line, then we put here the BR tag. Let's implement it. Again open your notepad, and when you can open your notepad, after this line, here is a first paragraph of text, you can write down BR tag. If you can write down BR tag here, then your next text here is the second paragraph move in the next line. And if you can enter here, then also your text will be moved in the next line. You can enter write BR tag here, or you can write BR tag after the line. So for example, we write here, here is the first paragraph of text. After that we put the BR tag here, and one more we write down the BR tag here. So our two lines are there now. Here is the first paragraph of text, then here is the second paragraph of text, and then here is the third paragraph of text, and then complete paragraph. After that you can again save it, minimize it again, again open your web browser here and refresh with your simple pressing the F5. So you can see here is a first paragraph in the first line, and here is the second paragraph of the text in your second line, and all complete paragraph also add with this second paragraph. So this is your BR tag. BR tag means to move the text in the next line. Clear everyone? Now we discuss about the second tag. The next tag is our PR tag. What do you mean by the PR tag? PR means your P. P is the name of your tag and P stands for your paragraph tag. It is used to write down the paragraph in your web document. P tag marks beginning of the new paragraph in a web document. P tag always put the front of your paragraph and it lies a blank line before the beginning of paragraph. Always BR tag move your text in the next line, but always your P tag give the one blank line between the two paragraph. So if you want to start the paragraph, if you want to write down the paragraph in web document, then you can use the P tag. And if you want the simple text and you want line by line tag, then you can use the BR tag. And P is your container tag, and so it is need to close it. P tag have so many attributes are there, but here only discuss about the align attribute. P tag have mainly one attribute according to your syllabus. P tag have only one attribute. The name is align attribute. And what do you mean by the align? Align means the direction. It aligns the left, right, or center of a document. If you want your text move in the left side, then you can use the left alignment. If you want your text move in the right side, then you can use the right alignment. And if you want your paragraph will be written in your center of the web document, then you can use the align center. By default, the paragraph is left aligned always. The values are left, right, center, and justify. For example, P align is equal to ref, P align is equal to right, P align is equal to center, and P align is equal to justify. Syntax of the P tag is P. Just write down the P. If you don't want any alignment in your paragraph, then you can just write down the P here. Don't write any align and other extra. But if you want the alignment also, then you can use the P align is equal to value. And after value, you can use the content of your paragraph. You write paragraph here, then you can use the P tag close. First you can start the P tag, then you can write down the content of your paragraph and then close the P tag. For example, HTML, head, title, then write down the name of the title, then title close, then head close, then body start. Now the main part here is P. P means paragraph. You can write here P and then you can write any text. For example, here is a first paragraph of text, then P close. If you want to write down the value of the P tag, if you want to write down the attribute of P tag, then you can use the P align is equal to right. Here is the second paragraph of text. Let's do the practical of this P tag. For example, instead of BR, we can use here, for example, we can use here P. Just write down the P and we want P one paragraph. For example, we want enter two lines in one paragraph. Then here you can close the P tag. After that, for example, we want a simple line. Then you can use the BR tag. Otherwise, for example, we next want next paragraph here, then you can use the P tag here again. Then you can close the P tag here. So in this document we have already put two paragraph. In the first paragraph we write down here is a first paragraph of text, here is second paragraph of text, and in second paragraph we are only written here is a third paragraph of text, and then we write one story, the thirsty crow. So just see the output of this again. Save it with Control plus S. After that you can open your web browser again and refresh your text here. So here you can see this is your first paragraph. After this first paragraph, a one blank line space here is given. After that your second paragraph is written here. If you want both the tag in a your simple web document, in same web document, then you can write here. For example, again open your notepad and then you can, for example, here we don't write any heading. After that we write down BR tag. For example, So after this first, here is the first paragraph of text. After this line, our text will be moved in the next line. Here is the second paragraph. For example, after this we again put here the BR tag. You can write BR anywhere, and your text will be moved. For example, we write the BR tag here, then our text will be moved in the next line after that. For example, here is a third in one line and after paragraph of text in second line. After that, for example, we write down here one paragraph. So start just PR tag here, and after that you can write down, for example, I have already written a story, The Thirsty Crow, and after this story I can put the PR tag here, close the PR tag. And when you want to close the PR tag, always use the front slash before the tag. Then again save your document here and minimize it, and again open your web browser here, and then you can use the F5. So here you can see the output of this BR and P tag, and this is your BR tag. This in here also use the BR tag. Here is a third, we can again use the BR tag. So our text move in the next line paragraph of text, and here we can use the P tag. So complete paragraph written here. For example, we want the neck of the picture was too long. Here we want next paragraph, then you can write P tag here. Again you can open the notepad here. For example, we can open the notepad again here, open notepad here, and for example we want next paragraph here, then you can close the P tag first, and then you can again start the P tag for the next paragraph, and the next paragraph start with the neck. So again you can write down the P tag here, and totally your choice, you can start the P tag also here. Then you can start the P tag, and after that you can again close the P tag here. We have already closed the P tag here. So if one paragraph is there, then you can close the one P tag. If two paragraph is there, then you can close the two P tag here. So after that, again you can save it, minimize it again, and then again open your browser here, and then refresh it again. So you can see here the two paragraph in your web document, and the one and two, three lines are there. So this is your implementation of P tag and BR tag. Now what do you mean by what is the difference between the BR tag and the P tag? So again we are explaining here. The mainly difference between the BR tag and the P tag is BR tag simply break the line. BR tag, line break tag, simply break the line and display the text from the new line without any extra space. BR tag don't give any extra space between paragraph. BR tag don't give any extra space between the two lines. It only moves and it only give the break between the two or more lines, and the P tag separated the two lines with some extra space to display the enclosed text as a new paragraph. So here you can just differentiate here. BR tag is used for the line break. It don't give the extra space between the two lines. And PR tag is used to write the paragraph in your web document, and it give the extra space between the two paragraphs or between the two lines. BR tag is your empty tag, so no need to close it. And P tag is your container tag, so need to close it. So when you use the BR tag, just write down angle bracket start BR and then angle bracket close. But when you use the P tag, then first you can start the P tag, and after that you can close the P tag here also. So this is the difference between the BR tag and the you can say P tag here. So in next class we are discussing about the next tag. Thank you.